Thanks for tuning back into the channel. Check it out. Follow me along for this pit bike build. It's turning out so dope. It's awesome. So, seen the previous video of the seat cover we did, which turned out friggin' awesome. Go check out that video. So now, first of all, get our drink of choice. We're going to be doing new plastics. Super stoked. So, we're going to get these out. I'm going to lay them all out here on the grass and figure out what's what. And then we'll start on doing stuff here. So these are going to be 8 millimeters. 8 millimeter. There's a clip right here you got to take off. These, I believe, are going to be 8s down in here. These, I believe, are either 8s or 10 millimeters, one of the two, those in there. And then these are 10 millimeters here, got to come out. So yeah, I'm stoked. It's gonna look sick. Got our tools all lined up here for the clips. Got the 10. Get the extension if we need it. So yeah, let's get this knocked out. Okay, so we got all these laid out. Each of these, look at these in the sun. Now this color from Acerbis is called metallic gray. I wanted a darker color to closely match my truck. So pretty darn close. Show you guys when it's all done. Stoked, can't wait. So yeah, it comes with all the hardware, screws you need, each piece. Man, that looks so good in the sun. I don't know if you guys can tell, but see if you guys can. I don't know if you can tell or not, but that flake, they're so cool. That part there. So yeah, all the hardware you need. We're gonna get these taken off, and we'll get going. Also, too, it came with all these cool yellow Acerbis stickers. Every package, pretty neat. Oh. Stepping on one here. Also too, each of those packages, they have the part number on there. These are all different: 610, 608, 607. Each part number is separate so that if you have to buy a part individually, if you wreck or something, you can't just order that specific part number. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All comes in this nice little bag, nice package, like a giant drawstring bag. Pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty neat that you can order if you have to each part separately. So, and it comes with, I mean, cool yellow stickers. Who doesn't like stickers, right? So, awesome. We're gonna get these taken off and then get these put on here. So let's go. Right on. So, we got the red plastics off. Kind of puzzle pieces. It all comes off certain ways. There's little clips that are hidden, like this guy is hidden in there. So the bike turned out so sick, guys. Alrighty, here we go. Acerbis plastics, check it out. Boom! Looks so sick. Yes. Matches the truck so good. We're gonna do the black Tagashi wheels, either black spokes or chrome spokes. But guys, check this out. Oh yeah, check it out with the seat. Oh man, dude, looks so good with the black and gray handlebars. Dude, it looks so sick. Pieces aren't too bad. The fit and finish is pretty good on everything. You got to take these pieces, put them all together. But yeah, lines up pretty straight. These are on there pretty good. Guys, it looks so good, especially with the black and red and the gray. I might do red hubs, chrome spokes, and then do red nipples with the black Tagashi wheel. What do you guys think? I think that looked pretty sick. But for now, man, it just turned out so good. Like, it matches the truck so well. I love it. Fit and finish on these Acerbis plastics is really, really good too. So yeah, that's it guys for this plastics install. Super easy, kind of puzzle piece fit, but not too bad. Let me know down in the comments below, what color would you guys have your CRF or your pit bike 110, whatever you have, KLX, Cowie, whatever. What color plastics would you guys go? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it for this one guys. Awesome, looks so good. I don't know if I'm going to add a graphics kit yet. I might leave it bare. I think it looks good without it. So we'll have to see. That might be down the road, but yeah, awesome. Again, thanks for watching guys. I appreciate the support. Follow me along with this build. It's pretty fun. This is a fun little bike. Can't wait to add more to it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram. So till next time, see you guys later.